What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is, yo, gang. God Mafia. Let's see what we are doing today. Let's see me answer. Now, normally I don't react to a lot of hip hop over here, but I have reacted to hip hop over here. I have reacted to J. Cole, Drake. You see me, Kendrick. You know what I'm saying? You name all of the big three. You see me? Even the top five, because I've listened to reacted to Lil Baby. You see me? All type of artists over here. The Baby. You feel me? But I haven't done a lot of it. So you know we most reacted to dancehall. But as you know, I do love hip hop. And right now, everybody know there's a little rumors of a little beef going on between the big three. You know what I'm saying? And if you know, Kendrick dropped, people say is a diss, basically on Future's song, which is on Future's song a while ago on his new album between him and Metro Boomin, We Don't Trust You. And a lot of people say he was throwing shots at the big three. I didn't react to that song. I should have reacted to that song. You see me? Because you know, we didn't really know if it was a diss or not, or if there was a country. I ended up listening to it, watching it on YouTube, and then I realized, damn, maybe I should react. But a lot of people are speculating, is J. Cole gonna reply? You feel me? Is Drake gonna reply? A lot of people think they weren't. But yo, it looked like J. Cole dropped his new album, Might Delete Later, last night. You know what I'm saying? And this song right here, 7-minute drill. Apparently, J. Cole is going crazy. He's dissing back. He firing shots back at Kendrick. It's crazy. We're gonna check it out and see what's the deal with it, gang. We're never gonna hold up the vibe much longer. But as I was saying, we might be reacting to rap a lot more often on here, because bro, I'm gonna react to a lot more music that I love. It's me not digital and all. As me I say, especially if rap gonna be on some dancehall shit with the clashing. You see me I say? So yeah, man, we're gonna jump right. It's J. Cole's 7-minute drill, and we're gonna check it out. Let's see what's going on, gang.
Yeah. Turn it up. Yeah.
Come on. Alright. That's the game beat somebody remixed a little bit. But hey, let's go.
Turn the vocal up. Light work, like it's PWC. It's a cold world. Keep the heat under your seat. I got a phone call. They say that somebody dissing. You want some attention. It come with extensions. My dog like.
You got a phone call like somebody be dissing. What? Okay, so you hear what's going on. Let's get it.
Say the word. He on bullshit. He itching. I'm putting so much work in these streets. He got pension. I told him chill out. How I look having hinge.
I done push so much work in these streets, bro. I got pension, bro. Oh my gosh, come on.
Between the shots get the popping, I'm the one doing the clinching. I came up in the Ville, so I'm good when it's tension. He still doing shows, but fell off like the Simpsons. Your first shit was.
I ain't gonna lie, this has a crazy vibe to it. Even though they say it's a diss track, this got a crazy vibe to it. Let's get
classic. Your last shit was tragic. Your second shit put niggas to sleep, but they gassed it. Your third shit was massive, and that was your prime.
And say your first shit was classic. Second shit put niggas to sleep, but they gassed it. Oh my gosh. Is he talking about Kendrick? He's definitely talking about Kendrick right here. Let's see.
Put niggas to sleep.
I got it. He's definitely talking.
Like the Simpsons, your first shit was classic. Your last shit was tragic. Your second shit put niggas to sleep, but they gassed it. Your third shit was massive, and that was your prime. I was trailing right behind, and I just now hit mine. Now I'm front of the line.
Third shit was your prime. I was training right behind, but I just now hit mine. So nigga, you wanna come test me my prime? That's a no. Come on.
With a comfortable lead. How ironic, soon as I got it, now he wants something with me. Well, he caught me at the perfect time. Jump up and see where I got here off a bar.
How ironic. No, I got it. You want something with me. Whoo. You say, yo, Jake, go say it's my time now, bro. It's my time, bro. Now you have a problem, bro. When I got this shit, bro, when you had the shit, I had no problems with you. No, I got it. You wanna have problems with me, bro? All right, jump up now. You feel froggy? Leap. Come on, let's get it.
Now he wants something with me. Well, he caught me at the perfect time. Jump up and see where I got here off of bars. Not no controversy. Funny thing about it, bitch, I don't even want the prestige. Fuck the Grammys, cause them crackers ain't never done nothing for me. Ho, slugs took my niggas so.
Come on, man. Fuck the Grammys, bro. Man ain't doing this, man. Coming straight. This is straight for blood. I said this straight for reputation, bro. You know what I'm saying? This straight for pride.
Oh, drugs took another one. A rap beef ain't realer than the shit I seen in Cumberland. He averaging one hard verse like every 30 months or something. If he wasn't dissing, then we wouldn't be discussing.
Damn, bro, man. Say you're averaging one verse a hard verse every 30 months or something. But if he wasn't dissing, we wasn't discussing him. If he wasn't dissing me, bro, you wouldn't be mentioned right now, bro. You feel me? But because you're dissing me and I'm the GOAT that everybody want to come at, you know what I'm saying? You're going to get mentioned for just trying. Oh, man. damn, come on.
Lord, don't make me have to smoke this nigga, cause I fuck with him. But push come to shove on this mic, I will humble him. I'm Neo with this thing, this that New Jack City meme. Yeah, I'm aiming at G-Money, crying tears before I busted him. Light work.
I say, yo, don't let me have it, cause I fuck with him, you know. When it come to this mic shit, man, I gonna humble him, you know, bro. Ooh! You say, yo, you think you nice, bro? Let me humble you, bro. Let you know what time it is.
Like it's PWC, it's a cold world. Keep the heat under your seat. I got a phone call, they say that somebody dissing. You want some attention, it come with extensions. My dog like say the word, he on bullshit, he itching. I'm putting so much work in these streets, he got pension. I told him chill out.
Come on, put some more work in. I got pension this shit, dog. Come on.
I look having henchmen, if shots get to popping, I'm the one doing the
conductor.
I don't have no henchmen, bro. If shots getting fired, I'm the one doing the clinching, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, come on, let's get it. This is a switch up? This is a switch up? Let's get it. Come on. Yeah, I think niggas done forgot J. Cole mixtape and where he came from, bro. You feel me? Y'all forgot Good Friday. I used to body shit when he just came out, bro. Y'all forgot about that shit. Friday Night Lights. Well, not Friday Night Lights, but Return of Simba. Simba. Like, bro, come on, bro. Y'all forgot when J. Cole just came on, like, Kanye was doing Good Friday, or this nigga was on his spitting. You know what I mean?
I got mixed feelings about these fucking rap niggas. It's over for that cap, the official cap pillars. 2-6, we don't act niggas, we get at niggas. Shoot a nigga lights out, yeah, my dog stat fillers.
It's over for that cap, with the cap pillars, bro. You see, we don't act niggas, we get at niggas, bro. Hey, come on.
Stat stuffers, triple double, get your ass black duffel. Body bag, body bag, body bag. Cold world, your instructor for Pilates class. Get a nigga stretched if I feel a disrespect. Your arms might be too short to box with the
whole world. The instructor for your Pilates class. Get a nigga stretched if I feel disrespect.
God who live his life without the pressures of a constant facade. I pray for peace, but if a nigga sees these positive vibes, a Falcon 9 inside my pocket, bitch, this rocket gon' fly. Now
I see peace. What if these niggas? Hold on, bro. These niggas sees this peace, then in my pocket, this Falcon gon' ride. Ooh. Come on.
Falcon 9 inside my.
Hold on. Gotta fight.
I pray for peace, but if a nigga sees these positive vibes, a Falcon 9 inside my pocket, bitch, this rocket gon' fly. Now it's popping outside like the top of July. My text flooded with the.
Come on, that's I see peace. You feel me? But if niggas sees these positive vibes, a Falcon 9 in my pocket, yeah, that rocket gon' fly. Bro, that's so much double entendre right there, bro. Come on.
Hunger for a toxic reply. I'm hesitant, I love my brother, but I'm not gonna lie. I'm powered up for real, that shit would feel like swatting a fly. 4 albums in 12 years, nigga, I can divide. Shit,
I love my brother for real, bro. But I'm powered up. This shit is like swatting a fly. You know what I'm saying? Man, say, yo, I love Kendrick, bro. But where I'm at right now, bro, you coming at me, bro, it's like swatting a fly, bro. You know what I'm saying? You're not even a challenge, dog. Damn.
This is what you want, I'm indulging in violence. Put pictures in my home, aim the chrome at your eyelids. Fly pebbles at your dome, we the Stone Temple pilots. This is merely a warning shot, the back niggas down, back in the town where they whipping.
This is just a warning shot? Oh my God. This is just a warning shot, gang.
Working traffic in pounds. My jack jumping about a rapper making blasphemous sounds. Switching sides like the tassel on a cap and a gown. I'm fully loaded, nigga. I can drop 2 classics right now. Let me chill out, man.
Conductor.
So you can't drop 2 classic albums right now, bro. Come on.
Fall off on the way, nigga.
Fall off. Niggas waiting on this fall off. That's what you mean by the fall off is on the way. Niggas waiting for the fall off. It's on the way. It's never coming. Is that what you? Alright, come on. Yeah, man. Shout out to J. Cole, bro. You feel me? Man went stupid, went crazy, went dumb. I like the vibe of the beat. Like, starting off, it's like, yo, how is this like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this song or that song or anything like that. The vibe, still got a bounce to it. It's really got a bounce to it, and then got the old school vibe at the end with the breakdown. Really dope, bro. Yo, man, say I'm powered up for real, bro. I love my brother, but I'm powered up for real. This is like Swan no fly, bro. You see me? Man, say, yo, now it's funny, it's ironic. Now I got it. This nigga wants something with me. You see what I'm saying? Now that I got it, I got the crown. You feel me? I'm sitting on the throne. Now you wanna have a problem with me, bro? When you had it, I ain't had no problems with you. You know what I'm saying? But yo, I ain't gonna lie though. When it comes to my shit, I'ma humble you, bro. J. Cole is on his talking shit era, and I think niggas need to chill out and be careful. Cause when a humble nigga starts talking they shit, bro, and start, you know what I'm saying what they did. You feel me? It's gonna be crazy. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to both of them. Here, this is just a friendly exchange. You know what I'm saying? It's like they just want to do this to nice wrap up again, get rap nice again. You know what I'm saying? And it's really dope, man. You know what I'm saying? Nobody, I don't think they're taking it physical or serious. They're just lyrically sparring. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think in the comment section, gang. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let them know that Jambisco sent Uno. I already know what time it is. Yeah, man. And drop your comments, drop your requests, all that good stuff in the comment section. Y'all already know what time it is. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy.